How to receive USDT TRC20 on Binance. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can receive USDT on your Binance account. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that you're logged into your Binance app, and then you'll find the big deposit button at the top right corner. Just tap on it. Then from here you're going to have to tap on I have crypto assets and then tap on deposit crypto. From here you're just going to have to search for USDT and then tap on it. So from here, choose a network that's preferred to you. So for example, if I just tap on the Tron network right at the top, you will be shown all of its details with its address as well. So go ahead and copy its address. Now, let's say if you want to send it from any other platforms like Trust Wallet, you could just go ahead and tap on the send option. Then from here, you're going to have to search for the crypto and search for USDT. Scroll down until you find the Tron network and then just tap on it. Now from here, you can easily tap on the send option where you can easily paste the wallet address that you just copied, and you should be good to go. That's how you receive the USDT TRC20 on Binance. If this tutorial was helpful to you, make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.